Want to add notes, labels, or descriptions directly to a map? With MAPOG, you can easily create annotated interactive maps using custom text, shapes, and icons. Open story.mapog.com and go to Open Workspace under the Create and Publish section. Next, click on Create New Map. Then select the blank map option. Now, enter a suitable title and a brief description for your map. After that, open the Settings section, upload your logo if required, and save the changes. Now let's add locations to the map. Open the Search option. You can find a location either by entering the place name or by using latitude and longitude coordinates. And once you narrow down the location, go to the Annotations section, click on Shapes with Label and choose a suitable shape for the annotation. Then customize the labeled shape by adjusting the colors, stroke style, and other design settings according to your map design. Next, select the text option and enter the text you want to display on the map. Adjust the location of the text using the hand option. You can also customize the text by adjusting the font style, font size, and color to match the visual appearance of the map. To further enhance the map design, add icons wherever needed. Go to Icons, find the relevant icon and select it. Adjust the location and customize the icon color and size. Repeat these steps for all the locations you want to annotate on the map. Once everything is ready, move to the Preview and Share section. Choose whether the map should remain private or be accessible publicly. You can also share the map using a direct link, embed it into a website. You can also configure the sharing settings for the map. Use Add User option to invite collaborators by adding users and assigning different access roles. Annotated text transforms interactive maps from simple location displays into informative and engaging visual tools. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.